Hello guys, welcome to my channel SAP Agile Learner. So let's get started. So if you remember in the last video, we created the domain getDom_name. So let me quickly show you. We provide the data type here and number of characters it holds. We sort of provided the single values here, and similarly you can provide the intervals here and value table as per your requirement. So let's open another session and open TCode SE11 again, and this time select a radio button data type. So once you provide the data element name here, you can click on create button. It will show you the three radio buttons similar like this: data element, structure, data table type. So you can create data element by selecting this radio button, click on continue. So here you can pass the short description, for example name we are passing, or we can enter like employee name, for example, and click enter, and you will need to pass the domain here. Okay, we need to provide it. Got it. So let's provide the domain name here that we created earlier. So you can take this from here and just paste it here and hit enter. So you will get your domain value here, like it is of character 30 length. So we have assigned the domain to the data element here, and next we have like a field label. So for example, if you are passing anything here, like for example, in short, I'm passing name only, and in this I'm passing, for example, employee name, and then here employee name. So once you hit enter, it will automatically fill this field value, so you don't need to do anything. So click enter and it will have values automatically. Now let's understand what other option we have in the data type tab. So with the default radio button you will see here is elementary type, like here. Under that you have the option domain and predefined type. So domain we just discussed, you can provide your domain name here, as well as you can search for the domain using the F4 functionality here. So it will give you this option. You can pass here the valid values and you will get the F4 kind of functionality, and you can then select. Next is your predefined type. So this is just like a domain. A data dictionary data type can be assigned here. So data dictionary type can be assigned here, and this is equivalent to assigning data dictionary type to the data element. And second main radio button is reference type. So under this there are two radio buttons: reference type, reference to predefined type. So in name of reference type, a built-in class interface can be assigned here, and reference to predefined type, again a data dictionary data type can be assigned here. So let's again select this domain. As of now we want our domain name only here. So hit enter, then you can save it. You can save it in a local object and in your TR as per your requirement. Then you have field labels, as we discussed already. Four types of labels are there: short, medium, long, and heading. So these text will appear as labels when the table field associated with this data element appear on your screen or in any report output or somewhere. So by default, a label entered in the field medium will appear but can be overridden. The label in the field heading will appear when the table field associated with these data elements appear in a list or a report. So I hope you understand in this video that we have created a domain, and then we created data element here by using the data type and field label option. In the next video, we will be learning about how we can create structure in a ABAP Data Dictionary using SE11 TCode. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.